Sushmita Dev, today the news channels have been dominated by images of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi on their way to Hathras being stopped. I saw you were there with them. They were then pushed and jostled, and that became a big issue. We'll just play those visuals in a moment. I want to ask you, do you believe that this is photo op politics? Why don't, according to the BJP, Rahul and Priyanka also question their own government in Rajasthan, where, and Mr. Bhatia is right, rapes have also increased?
See, Rajdeep, let me start by saying, doesn't matter whose government is ruling where. It is how that government works towards prevention of crime. And despite that, when a crime happens, how is it you handle it and manage it? A rape happened in Alwar, a couple of them. I do not deny it. But charge sheet was filed within 72 hours. What happened to the Hathras girl who succumbed to her injuries? You threw her in a normal ward in a district hospital. You did not register an FIR for 6 days. And when you did, you diluted the sections. After that, at a late stage, you send her to Safdarjung Hospital. She succumbs to her injuries. You hurriedly take her in the wee hours of the morning and you cremate her, and the mother of the girl is begging her for time to take that girl's body to the house. That's what is blasphemous. That's what is blasphemous. If you ask me, I don't justify any rape in any state. I don't think that's proper for any political party to do it. There should be zero tolerance towards rape. And I want to remind you, when the gang rape happened in Alwar, just before the Lok Sabha election results, Rahul Gandhi ji went himself. I have pictures of it. I can send it to you at any state. And he gave a statement, in my state where my government is this cannot be tolerated. There has to be zero tolerance. And look at Ajay Bisht. What does he do?
No, Yogi Adityanath, whether Sushmita Dev, the fact is that his government is also claiming that they will ensure that the Hathras accused are put through a fast-track court system. No one will be spared. I am asking you very clearly, is the Congress party very clear? One rape which takes place in UP is no different from a rape that takes place in Rajasthan. You cannot compare rapes. Rapes is not a football match.
Rajdeep, I am putting it on record. You can't say Rajasthan rape is good or bad and UP rape is good or bad. It is how the government reacts to something like that. In Rajasthan, the charge sheet was filed in 72 hours. Charge sheet, not FIR. And Ajay Bisht files an FIR 7 days later. And now the AGP is saying it's not rape because there's no semen. 2013 IPC section 375 has been amended after the Nirbhaya case. Please read it. An attempt to penetrate, whether there is semen or not, amounts to rape. And a top-notch officer in UP is trying to say it's not rape because of the postmortem doesn't show semen. What kind of nonsense is this, Rajdeep?
You know
How much are you going to lie to this country?
Let me respond to that.
No, you have to respond to that, Gaurav Bhatia, because at the end of the day, on this case, you're in the dock. The ADGP is now going through, semantics as to whether the girl was sexually assaulted, was there rape, was there penetration. For God's sake, a girl has been killed. She has died. Her dying declaration says it's a gang rape. Is this the job of an ADGP? Should he not show greater sensitivity? It's the lack of sensitivity which is angering people, Gaurav Bhatia. That's the truth.
Yes. Rajdeep, first I will try to answer your point, and I am totally in agreement with what you are saying, and the UP government has been very sensitive, and I'll go with the words of the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, because there is no higher constitutional authority in terms of taking decision than a Chief Minister, and he is assured the rape sections will remain. Now it is a subject matter of investigation. Nothing more should be said on a TV channel at least. But on facts, I want to make 2 points.
Sir, where is the sensitivity? Where is the sensitivity? Some sensitivity.
Hearing that you gave to the Congress spokesperson. And it is very disturbing, Rajdeep. Every time I'm trying to wait for my turn and then make certain points,
the maximum,
you jump after every 15 seconds.
Sir,
Please wait. You may ask me any questions that you want, but wait for your turn. See, Sushmita Dev ji first of all said the FIR was registered after 6 days. That is factually incorrect. The incident took place on the 14th of September. The FIR was registered on the very same day within 1 hour. And as per the statement
For
of the
rape.
brother of the deceased, the FIR was registered. Later, a statement was made that there are 3 more persons. And those 4 persons total, 1 named in the FIR and 3 later have been arrested. And the section was added. Now, the dying declaration that has come to also, TV media channels has great weightage. I can tell you as a lawyer, that will definitely be considered when the charge sheet is filed.
Yes.
Second, my friend Sushmita ji was talking about how the matters are handled. I have with me the Alwar rape case, the unfortunate incident that happened. For 7 days, no
Now,
FIR
who's
was registered,
comparing
Rajdeep.
rapes?
Do you please ask her to be quiet? Extend the same courtesy to me.
Yes.
I have the newspaper report. For 7 days, no FIR was actually registered because there were elections in Rajasthan.